It's a festive season, and if you are like me, your girl right here, I'm sure you want to save a little money here and there. And if that's the case, stay tuned for this DIY centerpiece that I am going to create for my counter. Yes, it's my first time doing something like this too. So let's see how it turns out. To show you all the things that I am going to use to create this little on a budget, I'm calling it on a budget centerpiece. It's reasonable, any and everyone can afford it, because all of what I am going to be using basically comes from Dollar Tree, except for the vase. It's a reusable vase. I got flowers and I have a lot of them, so I decided I'm going to make use of them this holiday. To be honest, I don't even normally go all out and at Christmas doing all of this, but I just feel festive, I guess. It's a season after all. And I am going to do that. So let's start with the ornaments. So I got this one from Dollar Tree, and I show you if you watch a previous video. It's $2. And this one though, I did get it from Walmart, and it's $1.98. And I have these two pieces. I like them. I really like these two. I'm not black my face. I really like these. And each of them is $2. And I have this greenery because I want a little greenery in it, so this is $2 also. And I also have this. I had this bow, so I think I might use it. I'm not sure. It's $1.50. I think I might hot glue it, so I'm not sure. And this is a vase. Oh God, I love it. And somebody might say, so simple. That's it. It's really, really simple for real, but I love it. And so like I said, it's nothing complicated. I think we all can do it. If I can do it, you can do it too. Comment below though and let me know if you normally do DIYs, or you just go out there and you purchase a lavish piece and put it on your counter, your table, or whatever you use it for. Right, so the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to be putting the balls inside the jar and see how that turns out. Somehow I feel like I need some more balls, you know, because I thought I was going to use a smaller one, but I really like this one. So I decided that, you know what, I'm not going to do the small one, I'm going to do this one. So yeah, so the first thing I'm doing, I'm adding the balls to the glass. Alright, this one decided that it's going to give me some problem to open. Should I pre-open it? But it's okay. Sometimes while we need the meals, because look at me struggling to open a little plastic, and I don't normally struggle because I'm that type of girl. Yes, I use the machete, I use the knife, I use everything. Country girl, yeah. You know what I like the fact that I'm doing this year. It kind of reminds me of, you know, Christmas growing up. We never used to have no ornament. I'm not ashamed to tell you, no, we didn't have any ornament. But my grandmother, she knows, she loved Christmas. I can tell it was a festive time for her too. I guess I'll do a story time about my tradition and share it with you guys. But I used to look forward to Christmas with my grandma and a whole lot more. Like I said, I can do a story time and let you all know about it. But yeah, so this kind of bringing back some memories, which is good, and it's good memories, not bad memories. So that's a good thing, right? That's indeed a good thing, because normally we really never have a Christmas tree, don't you know? But just how we normally decorate the place, I used to look forward to that. Like, it was just something that I just always want to do, right? You might see my hand moving on the camera. It's because I have the vase a little closer to it. I'll soon show you it, what I am doing. Just trying to rearrange them, and then I show it to you. Or maybe I should show you as I go along. Probably that's what I should do. I'm gonna take it out. So this is what I am actually doing. I'm layering the balls, but I'm trying to put them at an angle, and I'm leaving, because you see me with the flowers, I'm making sure when I'm putting those in, it has the right space. So I soon show you what's going to happen. So give me a moment and I'll show you that. All right guys, so what I am doing here, I'm grouping the flowers like this, if that's what you call it. See how I have it here, right? And I'm going to use an ornament wire to wrap it, to hold it in this place, and I will use my pliers to clip off the excess, because I want it to have this look, because I'm putting it like to the back of the vase. You'll see what I'm talking about, okay? But I just want to show you. So you see how I hold it here? When I wrap it, I'll show it to you. Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you where I am at with it. As I said, it's simple, and I showed you, you know, putting in the ball, and I show you how I put the rose or flowers together. The only thing I changed, I use a tie strap instead, because that keep it firm. So this is what it looks like. So this is how it's looking. I like it, but I am wondering if I should add this bow to it. So you are going to be the judge, and then I can tweak it. So let me know if I should put this like right here. I think it's cute with it, but let me know. Let me show you a little more, like up. It's gonna be up a little like this. Yes, let me know if you think I should add this little bow. I'm going to use maybe a two-sided tape or a hot glue to hold it in place if I am using it, because it's part of my theme also. And I think it's because we're not using the round balls, we're using the ornaments. It will help to like hide, you know, like the little points and so forth. That's what I think, but I really love it. I think it turns out really nice, simple, and this is only $11 and a reusable vase. So this is DIY on a budget from Dollar Store, Dollar Tree, Dollarama, whatever you call it, in my neck of the wood. It's Dollar Store. For us, Dollarama, that's the side here, and that's the back of it. So the ornaments are all around it, just to help to wedge it in and keep it in place. I like it. I hope you do. I really like it. And yeah, thank you for helping me and sitting here with me while I try to create this DIY piece for my center piece. You will surely see everything as they come together. I'm definitely gonna show you, and I feel a little festive. Yes, I do. And guess what? Like I said, growing up, it was a little bit different, right, in terms of decoration. But I'll sit down and tell you about my tradition growing up. But as we grow, as we evolve, you know, we do things a little different. We create our own little festivity at Christmas time. And we always and will never forget the reason for the season. That's one of the reasons I don't really overindulge. But this time I'm doing a little more than I normally do, to be honest with you. But the reason for the seasons, we all know, is Jesus Christ, right? Yes, and to us, a son is given. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this little vlog. Thank you for supporting me. Walk good, and see you in the next upload. Bye, guys.